शुरुआती लोगों के लिए बेस्ट affiliate programs for beginners. What up, everybody? It's your girl, iLearning Lab, back at it again with another video. But this time, we're talking money, honey. We're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Whether you're a student trying to make some extra cash, or just someone looking for a side hustle, this video is your guide to the best affiliate programs out there. Get ready to learn because we're about to break it down in easy peasy Hinglish. Affiliate marketing. What is it? You might have heard this term thrown around a lot, especially if you're diving into the world of online business or looking for ways to make money online. But what does it really mean? And why should I care? Well, let me break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Okay, so first things first, what in the world is affiliate marketing? It's a type of performance-based marketing where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Imagine this. You're telling your friend about this awesome new phone you got, right? You rave about its features, the camera quality, the battery life, and how it has made your life so much easier. And then your friend goes and buys the same phone because you basically sold them on it. They trust your opinion and decide to make the purchase based on your recommendation. That's kind of what affiliate marketing is like. But instead of just getting a thank you from your friend, you actually earn a commission from the company that makes the phone. You promote someone else's product or service, and when someone makes a purchase through your special affiliate link, bam, you get a commission. It's like being a middleman who gets paid for connecting buyers with sellers. Now, why is this perfect for beginners, you ask? Well, there are several reasons why affiliate marketing is an excellent starting point for anyone new to the online business world. First off, you don't need to create your own products, deal with shipping, or handle customer service. All those headaches are taken care of by the company whose products you're promoting. It's like being that cool friend who recommends awesome stuff, but instead of borrowing your clothes, people are throwing money at you. You get to focus on what you do best, sharing your opinions and recommendations. But Lily, how do I even find these magical affiliate programs? The internet is vast, and it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Don't worry, fam. I got you covered. There are plenty of resources and platforms that can help you find the right affiliate programs to join. We're going to talk about the top dogs, the big players, the best affiliate programs for beginners. These are the programs that offer great commissions, have a solid reputation, and are beginner-friendly. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of affiliate marketing and help you get started on your journey to making money online. Amazon Associates, the OG affiliate program. First up, we've got the OG, the one and only Amazon Associates. This program has been around since 1996, making it one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate programs out there. It's like the granddaddy of all affiliate marketing programs, setting the standard for what an affiliate program should be. I mean, let's be real. Who hasn't spent an embarrassing amount of time and money on Amazon? Whether you're looking for the latest tech gadgets, a new book to dive into, or even some quirky kitchen gadgets, Amazon has it all. It's a one-stop shop for almost anything you can think of. The best part is, almost everyone and their grandma shops on Amazon, which means there's a huge opportunity for you to rake in those sweet, sweet commissions. Imagine recommending a product to your friends or followers and getting a cut every time they make a purchase. It's like getting paid to share your shopping habits. Signing up is easier than convincing your parents to get another dog. Seriously, it's that simple. All you need to do is go to the Amazon Associates website, fill out a quick form, and boom, you're in. No complicated processes, no hidden fees, just a straightforward way to start earning. Plus, Amazon has literally everything under the sun, so you can find products that match your niche, whether it's beauty, tech, books, or even those weird kitchen gadgets you never knew you needed. This means you can tailor your recommendations to fit your audience perfectly, increasing the chances they'll make a purchase. The commission rates might not be the highest, but remember, Amazon is all about volume. With millions of products and millions of shoppers, those small commissions can add up quickly. It's a numbers game, and with Amazon's massive reach, the odds are definitely in your favor. More people shopping equals more chances for you to earn. And let's not forget about the trust factor. People trust Amazon, which means they're more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate links. So, if you're looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates is a great place to start. Happy earning. Chapter 3. ClickBank. Big commissions, big opportunities. Next up, we've got ClickBank, the cool kid on the block known for its digital products and high commission rates. We're talking up to 75% commission, people. Now that's what I call a good time. ClickBank is all about digital products like online courses, ebooks, and software. So if you're into the whole online learning and digital marketing world, ClickBank is your jam. Now finding the right products to promote is key here. You gotta do your research and make sure you're promoting something you actually believe in. Authenticity is key, my friends. Chapter 4. ShareASale, the matchmaker of affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about ShareASale, the ultimate matchmaker for affiliates and merchants. They've got a massive network of merchants, from big brands to smaller businesses, so you're sure to find the perfect match for your audience. ShareASale is known for its user-friendly interface. Trust me, even your tech-challenged uncle can figure this one out. They also have a wide variety of products and niches to choose from, so you can find something that aligns with your interests and expertise. One of the coolest things about ShareASale is their deals database. It's like a treasure trove of exclusive deals and discounts that you can share with your audience. Who doesn't love a good deal, am I right? Chapter 5. CJ Affiliate, the reliable BFF you can always count on. Last but not least, we've got CJ Affiliate, the reliable BFF you can always count on. This platform has been a cornerstone in the affiliate marketing world for years, providing a robust and dependable service that marketers have come to trust. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, CJ Affiliate offers a wealth of resources and tools to help you succeed. They've been around forever. Well, not literally, but you get the point, and are known for their extensive network and reliable tracking system. Their longevity in the industry speaks volumes about their credibility and the trust they've built with both advertisers and publishers. Over the years, they've continually evolved, adapting to the changing landscape of digital marketing. CJ Affiliate works with some of the biggest brands in the world, so you know you're promoting quality products. From tech giants like Apple and Amazon to fashion icons like Nike, the platform's partnerships are a testament to its high standards. This means that as an affiliate, you have the opportunity to promote products that are not only popular, but also trusted by consumers worldwide. They also have a super detailed dashboard that gives you all the insights and analytics you need to track your progress and optimize your campaigns. This user-friendly interface allows you to monitor your performance in real time, making it easier to make data-driven decisions. Whether you're looking at click-through rates, conversion rates, or revenue generated, the dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your affiliate marketing efforts. Now, CJ Affiliate can be a bit more competitive to get into. But hey, nothing good comes easy, right? The application process is thorough, ensuring that only quality publishers are accepted. This rigorous vetting process helps maintain the platform's high standards and ensures that advertisers are partnering with reliable and effective affiliates. Just make sure you have a decent website or social media presence before you apply. A well-designed website or a strong social media following can significantly increase your chances of being accepted. So take the time to build your online presence, create engaging content, and demonstrate your ability to drive traffic and conversions. With a bit of effort and dedication, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful CJ Affiliate partner. So there you have it, folks. The best affiliate programs for beginners, broken down in all their glory. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to go forth and make that money. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future money-making tips and tricks. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family. After all, sharing is caring, especially when it comes to making bank. Until next time, peace out.